This is a demonstration of Exact Roofing using artificial intelligence to optimize long-run roofing. We will start with a hand-drawn sketch of a re-roof, which is on the left. So we will start by applying roofing to this drawing. Plan, construct, outline. Now we will draw this model, 8600, 9600, 10400, 14200, and we can put the other dimensions in or right click, close to start rectangular. Rolling the mouse in, we can check that by going dimension, and it puts the dimensions on. Remove them again. Now we can apply hips and valleys to this drawing, but the easiest way is to go plan, construct, roof skeleton, click on it, and it applies the skeleton for us. We could modify this if there were gable ends, but this is exactly right in this case. So now let us apply roofing, plan, new roof area, click on this area here. The pitch is 25 degrees and it's a shed roof. Soffit is 400, we'll take the rest as defaults. Now it is requesting what roofing goes on this, and we will just take a 0.4mm corrugate. Again, underlay, faster. We can apply netting or insulation if we wish to. Now we can apply a batten or purlin, in this case none. We can place something on the eave, for instance we can place gutter brackets if we wanted to, extra flashings, fascia. The system thinks this is a barge or a rake edge or a verge at this stage because it hasn't done the hip end yet. So that is not right, but it will self-correct. And finally the ridge. Now it applies roofing. So now we'll go plan, new roof area again. Apply it to that end. Same again. This time it corrects it because it's now got both roofs and it knows it's a hip. And again we can go plan new and we can click on the N key or the space bar to repeat last command. And again the space key to repeat last command. This time it stops us and prompts us because it realizes there's a valley there, and we will select a valley, space bar. Now we have completed our model. We can take it into 3D. And turn it round, and that will verify the model is drawn correctly. We can go to the quote screen and go to the bill of materials, and we have 556 lineal meters and 51 sheets of that length and 32 sheets of 4.8 lineal meters. Reverting to the stock page, this is how the system has automatically optimized it. We have 556 lineal meters as before. So now placing a post-it module over to the left, we'll record that it's 556 lineal meters and 7.02% waste. Now initially the artificial intelligence module does what it can, but nothing has been set up. So if we go to the blocking, show sheet blocking, it's made a reasonable job, but it can be done so much better. Most users will quote on this 556 lineal meters because when they apply blocking to this roof, they have a little bit extra they can play with. Other users may complete a blocking pattern before they do the quote. So we will now go initialize for blocking, and it comes up with this ease of building or efficiency of roofing. At the moment we have none, so if we click on ease of building to start with and go OK, go to the stock page, and now we are down to 544 lineal meters and a lot less waste. So this is 544 lineal meters. So that's a saving of 12 lineal meters. Now we'll return to the plan and we'll go blocking, show sheet blocking with connecting lines. And now you can see this hip is blocked well, this hip is blocked well, and it has attempted to block as best it can in this area here. Now most users will use this because it's a very easy and simple way to block and optimizing the roof, and it saves 12 meters. We also have source sheets, and so if I go there, it's giving you the two lengths of the source sheets and showing the fixer how the estimator was thinking. Very simple to print this out. File, print display, print this out and give it to the roof fixer. Now alternatively, if we go to blocking, initialize for blocking, we can roll the dial up to maximum efficiency of roofing. Now this is what the veteran users would do. It's a far more complex layout pattern, but it is more efficient. Now go OK. Now go to the stock page, and we are now down to a total lineal of 528 meters. And as can be seen, it is a very, very efficient blocking pattern. So we will record this. So this represents 16 meters saving in roofing iron, which is a significant amount of roofing iron. So if we return to the plan view, and now we go blocking, show sheet blocking with connecting lines, you can see the blocking pattern created by the artificial intelligence engine. Looking at this brown area here, it can be seen that this area is blocked with this area and this area, so the sheets are double cut. As I say, this is a veteran roofer's approach. It's far more complex to lay, but it is certainly far more efficient, and it's really up to the user to decide how they wish to approach the roofing. These symbols here show where the starting point of the roofing is in each case. Again, as before, file, print display, and that can be printed. Also show source sheets. These are the source sheets. Again, this can be printed and given to the fixer. Alternatively, to simplify the blocking pattern for the fixer, the user can go blocking, show sheet blocking, ignore small pieces. This shows the same blocking pattern but does not show small pieces, and so simplifies the blocking pattern for the fixer. So this is an example of Exact Roofing and its artificial intelligence engine, firstly producing a blocking pattern based on ease of building, and alternatively a fully optimized blocking pattern as shown here for a veteran roof fixer.